This is day 6, Blood Manor, Manhattan, New York. Let's get it done. Boo-wah. Hey guys, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. This is day 6 at Blood Manor. We are still working on the floors, and it won't be till Monday, the 7th. I could really conquer on them because they are open. Did about 500 people last night, and so I'm again being strategic as to how much to get done so it'll dry properly before their little feet flopping on it. So hey, enjoy the video, pics, time lapse. Please subscribe. I've been getting quite a bit lately, and I really appreciate it from all my new subscribers and my old ones. And hey, hit the little bell for the notification when new videos come through. And really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video. You take care. Oh, by the way, I stayed at a hotel last night. It was glorious. Yes. Not sleeping in a haunted house. Yeah, it was good. All right, people, I'm going to give you a little tutorial here, or tutorial, or however you say it. This is 3D. Red comes forward. Green sits in the middle and blue recedes. So in this area, we put white primer down, put the red, put white primer down the other side. Then we added in the red with polyacrylic in it to give it a little stiffer thing against people's feet. And I added it also into the black paint. So we put the black void, you're gonna see that in the video previous to this one. And then we sit there and did our gooey guys here with blue mixed with just a little yellow. And that gives it to rise up just further, because blue sits with black. But even with that, the red is gonna come forward, the blue is gonna sit down with the 3D glasses, and it's gonna look like the people are gonna fall in and get their ankles chewed off. This is a positive thing, okay? So just FYI, that's how we're doing this. The areas where I just filmed, we're putting black on the inside of it, and then we're gonna come along and do our gooey guys. And then the neat thing is to add a little bit of these little red things that come forward into the black. It just pushes it further down and raises the red that much further up. So just FYI, when you're trying this at home, ooh-wah. And as I wait, don't forget the crab legs. Crab legs, gotta have them. Yes, crab. Dr. Flavor needs crab.